Hey Lauren, it's Lance again. Thanks for chatting with me on the phone today and giving me this opportunity to share this video with you. Like I said, I just wanted to share a quick video just showing you what I do. In this video, I just wanted to talk about three quick things. Talk about content, backlinks, and citations when trying to get your online business ranked better with Google. So here we have, so here's a Google page, and if you type in St. George HVAC, for example, this page is going to pop up. And up here, you're going to see these are Google's preferred ads. You have to bid and pay for these spots. Right here, and also at the bottom of the page, you have different ads as well that anybody can go fill out a Google ad form and get their business on there. The only thing with Google ads or ads like that is sometimes they're hit or miss. You know, some people have ad blockers on their phone or their computer, so to those to that audience, they're not going to see your business. And then you have this map pack right here, and then you have just the regular organic listings. So right here, it's like a big popularity contest with Google. Google searches the internet for people who have the or businesses and web pages who have the most content, most keywords, and the most backlinks. So when we talk about content and backlinks here, Google is looking for 1,500 words of content to be labeled as a Google authority. So you can see it's highlighted. So I took your website and highlighted all the words in here and just the front page images and everything, and I threw it in this word counter, and it came up with almost 400 words. So to work on taking over that top spot or getting on that first page of Google just with content alone, we would need to be a little closer to the 1,500 mark. And with that, you know, you're going to have a lot, 1,100 more words of opportunity to put in those keywords, those key phrases, some of those different things that people are searching for when they're looking for HVAC services. Um, so that's the content portion. The second one is the backlinks. Backlinks, they're they're just another website or domain that is referencing your website. So Allstar Cooling and Heating. So you guys have 22 different domains that are referencing your business 114 times. Now, if we go look at one of your competitors, so who's on the first page of Google, alpinetemp.com, they have 178 referring domains that are referencing their page 453 times. Now, you can look at you can find like this. Sorry, this is Ahrefs. This is a paid program that I use, but there's plenty of free programs out there that you can find backlinks and get backlinks and keyword searchers and plenty of other resources that way that again you can do it yourself if you have the time and willpower to do that. Um, but anyway, so yeah, this is where the number one spot. These are their numbers, and you were at like 22 domains. So if we click on the domains, and talking about backlinks and citations, like they're not all created equal. For example, if Pizza Hut references your business, it doesn't carry as much authority as, let's say, another HVAC company referencing your business, if that makes sense. So, I mean, they might have some random websites link into their business, but unless they carry a lot of power, then I think you could easily beat them out with some higher quality domains and backlinks. But for example, I mean, these look like different directories. My local Utah and American towns where they have their business and um, website listed. Bell Bros HVAC. This one's going to be a good one because it's, again, it has that power, it has that authority because it's also talking about HVAC. Same thing with ceiling fans. I mean, that has to do with AC and HVAC. So those are different. Heating repair, what is it? Heating repair. I don't know what that says. Different blog spots. Um, so so you have the content and you have backlinks. This is where you're at. So just either matching the number that they have, or if you really want to, just secure your number one spot, it would be just beating them with domains and different backlinks. So going back to this, so that content and the backlinks would get you in the number one spot here. And then citations is what drives mainly this Google Map Pack. The more times your business name, address, and phone number are listed on different directories, chances are you're gonna work your way up to these top spots, depending on how many, if you're beating out how many citations these companies have as well. But anyways, those are the three things that I wanted to show you, and a little bit about what I do with businesses. But I mean, you have two options. You can definitely take this education and do it yourself, which is totally fine, or you can give me a call or email me back, and we can set up a time that we can kind of discuss some of your goals and what you have in mind for the business in the future. Thanks, Lauren. Bye.